How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cut out an image and paste to another image in Photopea. Now, doing this is extremely easy. Basically, in my case, I'm going to be creating a new project and let's select something like Instagram. From there, if you want to paste an image from another source, maybe let's go ahead and grab it from this one. So what you can do is to head over to the snipping tool on your Windows 11 or your Windows 10, click on it, and then you want to click on the new button, highlight the image that you want to paste onto Photopea. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting this one. Right after, you have the ability to save this as an image, but to make things easier, we can just click on the copy option, head over to Photopea, and then click on the Control V on your keyboard, click allow, and it will automatically be imported onto Photopea. So that's how you do it. Simply press Control V and voila. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.